How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist respect you completely. That is the title of this video. Number one, recognize that narcissists aren't capable of respect. Narcissists are not capable of respecting you because narcissists lack empathy. They only care about themselves. They use and misuse others. Their main mission is to control you. Their main mission is to use you and to dump you. They need constant praise from you. They believe they are more special than others. They believe they are better than you. So how do you expect such kind of a person to respect you? They believe they are unique. They believe they must win. They believe that they are semi-gods. Narcissists' main mission is to completely control you, your environment, and everything around you. So if you want the narcissist to respect you, then just know that they are not capable of respect. But you can still make them respect you by showing them that you are a high value, because narcissists like vulnerable people. Show them that you have self-confidence. Show them that you have high self-esteem. Show them that you are valuable, you have value. That way, they will not be able to disrespect you. Narcissists will not disrespect someone who has high value easily. So if you are to earn the narcissist's respect, then you need to prove yourself as being skilled, as being valuable than the narcissist is. Narcissists are attracted to people with social status, people with valuable possessions, rich people, people with great jobs, people who look good. So if you need respect from the narcissist, remind them that you got a promotion. Remind them that you are rich, you have a lot of money. Now, another way to get respect from the narcissist is to make sure you're very confident. Be self-assured. Be sure of yourself. When the narcissist sees that you're a confident person, they will not easily put you down, because they'll see that you value yourself. So make yourself powerful. Do things that make you feel empowered. That way the narcissist will start respecting you. Tell yourself that you are highly skilled, that you're valuable, that you are talented, you're gifted, and it will come true. Now, for the narcissist to respect you, they need to see that you respect yourself. So love yourself, take good care of yourself, and respect yourself. Respect yourself by showing the narcissist what you can tolerate and what you cannot tolerate. In short, respect yourself by setting boundaries. Establish boundaries and enforce those boundaries. That way the narcissist will begin respecting you. Teach the narcissist how you want to be treated. Teach the narcissist to respect you. Show the narcissist that you're in charge of your own life. Show the narcissist that you do not need their approval. You do not need their permission. That you deserve to be treated with respect. Show the narcissist that you are worthy of love. You are worthy of kindness. That you're special. And the narcissist will respect you. Treat the narcissist with respect. That might also make the narcissist respect you. Sometimes when you're rude or disrespectful to the narcissist, maybe that's what they want. Because remember one thing about the narcissist, they need some negative reaction from you. They need to see you angry. They will provoke you so that you disrespect them. That way they feel good. So don't do that. Don't upset the narcissist. Instead, you can try to show them respect. Show them how you would want them to see you. If you embarrass the narcissist, They will swing into narcissistic rage. It might bring more arguments and conflict and drama. And that's what the narcissist loves. They thrive. They thrive in drama. They thrive in chaos. They thrive in arguments. So, don't go that direction. Don't upset the narcissist. Just show them some respect. And maybe you will be respected back. Again, be emotionally distant. Keep away from that narcissist if you want to be respected by them. Remember, the narcissist is not looking for a partner. They're looking for somebody who will make them feel good about themselves. They're looking for someone who will give them constant attention, constant admiration, constant praise, constant recognition, reassurance, acknowledgement. That's what the narcissist wants. They are not looking for a partner. They even don't care about your emotional needs. So, if you're dealing with a narcissist, keep that relationship professional, friendly, and don't share deeper feelings. Don't share secrets with the narcissist, because they have this tendency to use your secrets and what you tell them against you. Now, maintain your independence if you need respect from the narcissist. Make sure you're independent. Take good care of yourself. Make your own decisions. And that way you'll not care about the narcissist, whether they respect you or not. Focus on your goals. Focus on your objectives in life. Focus on your hobbies. Focus on what makes you happy. Take good care of yourself. And that way the narcissist will respect you. Don't forget to always express boundaries to the narcissist so that they know what behavior you expect. And make sure you include consequences if they disregard your boundaries. And then stand firm when it comes to your needs. Put your needs first. Focus on your needs. Don't focus on the narcissist's needs. It's time to take good care of yourself. They'll respect you if they realize you're enforcing those boundaries. If you have boundaries in place and the narcissist disregards those boundaries, they will not respect you. So if they try to disrespect you, if they try to cross the boundaries, call them out on their behavior, but in a calm, impersonal way. And if you had put consequences, then follow on those consequences. If you want the narcissist to respect you, spend time around people who respect you. Don't spend time with people who disrespect you. So talk to yourself and remind yourself that you have people who care about you. You have true friends. You have trusted relatives and friends who are there for you emotionally. So the narcissist will respect you if they realize you have that support system. But if they isolate you from your support system, they will disrespect you. If you want the narcissist to respect you, terminate that relationship if you feel it is abusive, if you feel it is highly toxic, if you feel you are in the wrong relationship, you are suffering in that relationship with the narcissist, terminate it, end it. End things if that relationship is negatively affecting your health. So if you're suffering mentally because that relationship you have with the narcissist is toxic, then focus on yourself. Put yourself first. Focus on your well-being. End that relationship with the narcissist if you feel manipulated, threatened, controlled. If the conversations that you have with the narcissist are becoming heated, terminate that relationship. Focus on yourself. Prioritize your safety. Your health is very important. Your mental health is very, very important. So if you want the narcissist to respect you, start by respecting yourself. By walking away from them if they begin disrespecting you. By cutting all contacts from them if they disrespect you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video widely to everybody, to all those who may need it. Thank you. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.